Prime Minister of Bangladesh, is here in India. She landed at the Air Force station near Delhi. She met with the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, and now what are Sheikh Hasina's plans from here on is the big question. From what we are hearing at the moment is that the Bangladeshi parliament is set to be dissolved today, a day after Sheikh Hasina resigned and fled the country, and the military took control amid massive protests. Now, the Bangladeshi president late last night chaired a very crucial meeting to discuss the formation of a military-backed caretaker government, and the army chief, along with the head of the Navy and the Air Force and the top leaders of several opposition parties, including the BNP and the Jamaat-e-Islami party, attended the meeting. Now, the president also ordered the release of the jailed former prime minister and key opposition leader Khaleda Zia hours after Sheikh Hasina was ousted. She was given a period of just 45 minutes. That's the entire time that she got to get what she need to and then leave the country. And from what's happened since then is that people have looted her home. They've got whatever they could get their hands on and fled from there. So this is Sheikh Hasina, who is here in the national capital. She did reach the Air Force station near Delhi yesterday at about 5:30 in the evening. This is from what we are hearing at the moment is Sheikh Hasina is here in the national capital. She had landed. She had that meeting with the National Security Advisor. The Prime Minister has also chaired a very crucial meeting regarding the situation. And this is, she started her 5th term as a Prime Minister earlier this year, left the state capital Dhaka in a military aircraft for India after resigning. The 76-year-old has been accompanied by her younger sister, Sheikh Rehana, and it is... like we mentioned, she got here at about 5:30 in the evening yesterday. But what are her plans from here on? How long is she here in the national capital? Is she going to be going to the United Kingdom? Is the big question. Her niece is believed to be in London. Her sister lives there. So which is why it is a very good option for her. But really, how long will it take for her to get there? And is she even going to be going there is the big question. Well, we have Salman Saeed joining us from Dhaka to get us more on this. Salman, take us through the situation on the ground as the law and order situation is of prime importance at this point in time. The army has said that they will not open fire, and the formation of the interim government is going to take place today. What is the situation on the ground this morning, given the fact that the curfew now has ended?
Thank you. Right now, I'm standing in front of the Prime Minister's residence that was vandalized by the protesters yesterday after the celebration was done. When the PM left the country in the afternoon yesterday. I'll just show you how you can see behind me. It's all the people who are, all the walls, the security walls have been broken down. All the furnitures are laying outside her home. There's a bit of traffic in front of her house because everyone is stopping by and trying to see what has happened inside. I can see hundreds of people inside the Prime Minister's residence. They went early in the morning before the military came in and trying to bring the situation under control. Bangladesh Army is really trying to request people to bring everything in place, things, law and order in place before, things get more violent or anything. There was a lot of police stations and even in this building where people, you can see hundreds of people. This was one of the most secure buildings just 24 hours back, right? 24 hours back, this would have been one of the most safest places in the country. And now it's flooded with ordinary people just roaming around her Prime Minister's home. And everyone is trying to bring kind of a souvenir or something from inside. I've seen some people getting out with some spinaches. Yeah. So now the military is requesting people to please come out of this premises. They're trying to get the security and law and order in place. You can see, people, they're all requesting everyone to walk around.
Okay,
And,
Salman, you know, in terms of what we are seeing, these are visuals of certainly a country which is waking up after what has been a dramatic Monday with the Prime Minister not there and a great degree of uncertainty on the ground as well. We do not know who will be the next Prime Minister, what will be the nature of the interim government. But for the common people of Bangladesh, is there a sense of relief, or is there a sense of them staring at an uncertain future?
আপা কেন আসছেন আপনারা এখানে? জি, এখন কেমন লাগতেছে? কি দেখতেছেন?
ভাঙচুর অবস্থা দেখতে আসলাম, কি অবস্থা আছে, আগে একরকম ছিল, এখন একরকম।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, কালকে কিরকম ছিল?
কালকে তো আমি আসিনি ভাই, আমি বলতে পারি।
এখন আপনার কেমন লাগতেছে এটা দেখে? So she says, I just came in the morning to see what yesterday I heard there was a lot of vandalizing. So I'm trying to see how it is because I could not see yesterday. Uncle, আপনার আজকে কেমন লাগছে বাংলাদেশে এরকম একটা পরিস্থিতি দেখে? এই যে এখানে আসলেন, আপনি কি
না, এটা তো আসছে, এটা যে জনগণের সম্পদ, এই যে ক্ষতি করছে জনগণের সম্পদ, হাসিনার সম্পদ না, তাই না?
So he was saying, I'm not understanding how things are going on. He's also trying to run inside. He said this is not Sheikh Hasina's personal property, but it's public property. This kind of vandalization can take place. Bangladesh Army is really trying to help people on order. They're requesting people not to go inside. He's requesting, but I can see the people don't want to listen, but they're bringing things in control. I'll just request if I can see anyone else wants to talk. Let's say there's.
Yes, please.
Chacha, apni kokhon ashchen? 1 minute, I will connect you with another guy who was standing. আপনি কখন আসছেন এখানে? আচ্ছা, আপনি he came here 15 minutes ago. কি দেখছেন? রাতে আসছিলেন? তো এখন এই 15 মিনিট ধরে কি কি দেখলেন এখানে হচ্ছে? কি কেমন লাগতেছে দেশে এরকম একটা পরিস্থিতি? আচ্ছা, এখন কি হবে? দেশটা কেমন হবে? এখন দেশ কি হয় না এটা আমরা কেমন আপনি কি খুশি যে চলে গেছে এরকম? So this person, he is saying me, he's not happy, he's not sad, he's a day laborer. He's only worried. He only wants to see what happens in the coming days. So looks like the normal traffic curfew is out.
সরকার
কি হয়েছে
সরকার পতন হয়েছে।
তো আপনি এখানে কেন আসছেন সকালে?
আমি তো এই পরিস্থিতি দেখার জন্য আসছি।
কি হয়েছে?
এই যে সরকারে কিভাবে
বলেন, কি
সরকারে কিভাবে
আসছিলেন রাতে?
গতকালকে আসি নাই, গতকালকে আসবো, আসার চেষ্টা করছি, অনেক জনগণের ভিতরে আসতে পারিনি।
আমাকে একটু আপনার নাম বলেন।
আমার নাম মোহাম্মদ রাজা।
ওকে, তো কি জন্য আসছেন এখানে?
এই পরিস্থিতি দেখার জন্য আসছি। এই সরকারের ঠিক আছে কি অবস্থা, কেমন করে মাইরা খাতাইছে, ঠিক আছে। আমার অনেক শখ ছিল, একটা চট্টর হইলো দেওয়ার শখ ছিল, কিন্তু পারলাম না, পলাইছে এই দেশ তুইয়া, ঠিক আছে। আমি পরিস্থিতি দেখতে আসলাম, ঠিক আছে। কালকে আসতে পারিনি, জনগণের ভিড়ের ভিতরে আসার চেষ্টা করছিলাম, তো অনেক মানুষের জনগণের ভিড়ে আসতে পারি নাই, এই জন্য আজকে আসলাম ভিতরে দেখার জন্য।
So he tells me if he could have met the Prime Minister, he could have slapped her, but she escaped. But now he could not come last night, so he came today to see it. Sir, can we talk? Hello? আঙ্কেল, এখানে কেন আসছেন আপনারা? আচ্ছা, কি হয়েছে এখানে, কি দেখতেছেন সকাল থেকে? ভিতরে গিয়েছেন, একটু বলবেন কি দেখেছেন ভিতরে?
সবকিছু মানে সব লুট হয়ে গেছে আর কি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
দেওয়াল ছাড়া আর কিছু নেই, সবকিছু।
কেমন লাগতেছে? আপনার ছেলেকে নিয়ে আসছেন,
এটা আসলাম, ভালো লাগতেছে।
আপনার নামটা?
আনুমানক।